to Shining Stars Connect. My name is Nafije and I'm the founder of 4S. Today I would like to introduce you to our second module where we will teach you how to design your ideal life. So in this module we're going to teach you how to use 4S tools to create your ideal life, manage and enhance your life in all aspects of your life by taking an inside-out approach. Your memory will thank you for that. This training is not about task management. It's about using mindfulness-based tools for self-management, which by default will lead you to better time and stress management. So we're going to start our first lesson by using mental imagery to help you define your goals for the year in all aspects of your life, starting with your mental, family, career, social, and so on. So you'll feel like you're very much clear about where you're going and your path to success. This systematic approach is especially crucial in the beginning when you're setting your intentions and goals for the year. And once the goals are defined, then the road to success is already paved. This mental imagery exercise that you are going to do in this lesson is going to help you increase your motivation and become more conscious about where you're going, where you want to put your energy every day throughout the year. And this supports your prospective memory or your prospective future, and you will be more creative in your path to success. To make your intentions clear, we're going to use the 4S worksheets, which are designed to help you step by step to making your goals smarter and more realistic for you. For this activity, you're going to use the 4S monthly planning worksheet, and there you'll transfer your action steps towards achieving your yearly goals. And the second lesson of this module, we are going to reevaluate our intentions for the year by becoming very clear about your goals. As part of this process, we are going to use SMART goal system, where you're going to identify your top 3 goals from each areas and become as clear as possible in your goals. In the following lessons, we're going to teach you how to plan, organize, and prioritize your week so you can better plan and manage your days. We will also conclude this lesson by talking about the benefits of monthly planning and how monthly planning can help you meet your goals and priorities so you'll feel more in control in your life. In lesson 3, we're going to focus on monthly planning, organizing, and prioritizing. Now that your goals are clear for the year, we are going to spread our actions throughout the year and throughout the quarters. Here you'll identify exactly what you do during the week and day in order to help you make an ideal schedule in the future. List all the things that you should be doing on a weekly basis and transfer them to your daily planning pages. Knowing exactly what you do during the week, each day, can help you learn where your time goes and help improve your overall use of time. And most importantly, we are going to help you design your ideal day, because that's where you spend most of your time, right? As part of the 4S system, we're going to provide the resources for you to design, prioritize, and organize your day by following the 4-step process. We're going to start our day with strong positive affirmation and use the questions within the worksheet to guide you to come up with the most important things that you need to do for the day in all aspects of your life. And then we're going to also help you prioritize those tasks that you identified and make sure that you have like a way to measure your progress throughout the day for the things that you've completed, things that need more attention or more time. Ultimately, we want you to end your day productive, so we're going to help you evaluate your progress throughout the day and make sure that you finalize your day strong by also having a system in place for you to prepare yourself for your tomorrow. So the Shining Star Success System is going to help you transform yourself from inside out. For every module, you're going to have a free session with a life coach to help you master the system and help you in your path to success. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to teaching you our 4S system and help you shine fully in your life.